Hi, I'm Tzvi, and I want to help you build the best Facebook page for your business. I've been building Facebook applications and pages for more than 4 years now. You can use my services here on Fiverr for just $5 and I'm gonna get you the best page possible. I'm an expert in creating money from Facebook by using forms and converting the people that come to your page, building successful pages that have pre-fan information and post-fan information, which means you get the best deal out of it because you'll know what content to post to people that haven't clicked like and content to post to people that are now clicking like on your page. And the third part is you can edit your content anytime for the first month after I build your page, which is a whole system you can use for a month. And this is everything for $5. So I hope you come in and order my gig, and I have lots of samples also I can show you, and I'm going to show some on this video, and I hope I'm going to interact with you and bring your business to the next level. Thanks.